Dreaming of becoming doctor? Study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Hakapor kumba prash teng ka janmiet jong santarik nailar arjar pendrio. Kala jaga jing ding last stop laban hakaba ding kala penjulor Hynñiew ki Dukan. La Suba ba jingkem ding kala pandai na Jingthut ka Bording Elektrik akawai na ki Dukan bat pur shakiwai ki Dukan kibadan marsenda. Kini ki Dukan ki kentup ki Dukan di do jor Dukan Hynñiew Dukan sha bat kiwi. Kala don ru ka jing yetho ba kapor ba kemding kala don ka jing pethai tendong le air shed jing shed kabla pen kalang shu yakading khamadian naga jing pentep kinaw snong hakate ga benta lawan poi ki kali pilip ding ki batang shipor kila lap pilip yakading nalor kani ki bor para CRPF ru kilawan banierap lang lem ki bor pulet ka jela nakani ga jingja dun bak wam shim ladon kinu ki jingja sosi latang jing Julor ki Dukan.
हमका तो अभी तो कुछ जगह नजदीक लेकिन सब देखा तो जल गया आगुन तो बड़ा हमका टमाटर भी नीचे रखा सब्जी रखा
कितना नुकसान हुआ कितना पैसा का
मालूम नहीं तो कुछ हिसाब करेगा सब जो दुकान बैठा तो सामान जस्ती ना बिठू जो दुकान हम तो बाहर तो
आपका ये आग कैसा लगा
नहीं देखा जब हम लोग उधर बैठा उधर तरफ नहीं देखा जब बोलेगा आग तो देखा फिर हम लोग भाग गया तो एकदम क्योंकि स्ट्रीट लाइट ना डरता तो हम भाग गया.
After seeing the incident, so I came for to take out the printout for the SIR list. So when I saw that there was a fire broke out, so I called up my friend who is from the fire service. I will not mention his name. So like when he gave me a number of the fire service, I called up them. Within 7 minutes of after giving them a call, they came up. Then I called up MSCB. They also came up within 3 to 4 minutes. And from before, when I called them up, they have said that they have already cut off the line. And they also came, and the rest of the electricity was cut off from the last of transformer point. So after that, when the fire service have reached the point, the fire has been distinguished, and there was no such incidents has been happened till now. But we are trying to find out whether the fire service people and all, they are trying to find out whether any incidents has happened or not, and they are also trying to find out whether it was a short circuit or from any other source the fire was broke out.
At what time exactly the incident?
It was around 8:30 or so. When I came to this Dada Stall building, there's a tea shop called by the name of Dada Stall. So on top of that, there was a cyber cafe. I mean, so not cyber cafe, it was a stall, studio. I went to take out the printout. So from there, one of my friend's son, he saw the fire broke out. Then I came just down. After this, I have seen all these things. So I have called up and I have arranged. That was the thing. And I know that maybe some other people also called up or not. That I'm not sure. But after I called up my friend, which I have also mentioned that I will not mention the name of my friend, who is from the fire service, he gave me the name. So this thing has happened. Now the fire has been totally distinguished, and hopefully there was no incident happened. Now waiting for the other things to be find out. What has caused the fire to be broke out? Let us see and hope for the investigation from the government side.
We got the call at 9 o'clock, 2 minutes past 9 p.m.
How many fires were sent?
2 fire tenders, 2 fire vehicles. It's already extinguished now. The fire is not under control. We have already extinguished the fire.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya